If someone wants to add you as a partner to their Facebook business account, or you just want to know the business ID of your account, this video is gonna help you a lot. Procedure how to find your business ID is pretty easy, but it's not that obvious. And let me show you how it's done. So right now we're in the Ads Manager, and what we need to do is to go to the settings. To do that, we need to hover this business settings icon and then click on it. Once the page is loaded, we need to go to the business portfolio info right here. And after clicking on this button, we can see your business portfolio ID right there. The other way to do it is to look at the link you're currently at. And in this link, you can see that there is the ID of your ad account. And if you move it a little bit to the right, you can see business ID right here. Basically, it's the same number as we were seeing before. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to assist you, and see you in the next one.